If you are trying to connect to a Wi-Fi in your iPhone, but if you get a message that either Wi-Fi username or password is incorrect, even though you know that it is correct, then let us see what to do. The first thing that you will do is you will restart your iPhone, and then you will restart your router also. The other thing that you will check is you will see the lights that are blinking in the router. If you see only one or two lights blinking, that means there is a problem in the Wi-Fi from the internet service provider side. You should see 4 or 5 lights blinking in your router. Now if you can see the lights blinking in the router also, then the other thing that you will do is you will go to settings, Wi-Fi, and suppose if this is the Wi-Fi to which you want to connect, then what you will do is you will tap on the icon next to the Wi-Fi, select forget this network, and then forget. After that, again tap on the Wi-Fi name and enter the password of the Wi-Fi again. After that, the other thing that you will do is you will reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So go to settings here, go to general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, select reset and select this option reset network settings. After that, enter the passcode of your iPhone that you use to unlock it. Then the network settings will be reset, and then you can again try to connect with the Wi-Fi. The other thing that you have to keep in mind is if you are trying to connect to a Wi-Fi, then you should be near to the router so that there is a strong signal. If you are far away from the router and if the Wi-Fi signal is low, then you might not be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. The last thing is if you are trying to a secondary router which is used as a Wi-Fi range extender, then in that case the password of the main might be changed, due to which you can't connect to the secondary router. So try to connect to the primary router. If it is connected, then there might be a problem with the secondary router. So do all of these things and hopefully you should be able to connect to your Wi-Fi again. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.